In this lesson, we're going to talk about gross and net income. Now, your gross income, this is the amount of money that you earn through employment before deductions are taken off. We'll talk about deductions in another lesson. So, employment can be made either through an employer or perhaps you're self-employed. Gross income is a little bit different than net income. As net income, this is the amount that you actually take home after deductions are taken off. So we can say here that our gross pay minus deductions is equal to our net pay. Let's now look at some of the ways that you can earn money. So you can earn an income usually through a salary, through hourly pay, through commission, or through gratuities, which are typically called tips. Now, a salary, this is an annual or fixed amount of money regardless of the number of hours or days worked. Your salary can be paid usually through the 12 months, but can be based on a yearly rate. Typical examples of salaried positions would be teachers or architects or software development engineers. Those are salary positions. This is different from an hourly wage, as an hourly pay is a fixed amount per hour worked. So examples of an hourly pay would be lawyers. Lawyers are paid by the hour. Cashiers or waitresses are all hourly pay. Commission is based on sales. So people who work as a salesperson typically get commissions. This is a fixed percentage based on how much sales that you have made. So a person can be paid straight commission, graduated commission, or by both salary and commission. So typical examples of this would be a car furniture salesperson. Gratuities, these are tips that are received for work done. This is usually in addition to an hourly rate of pay. So typical examples would be a waitress. They get tips on top of what their rate of pay would be. So let's take a look at a couple examples. Let's suppose that Annabelle earns an annual salary of $47,500 plus 3% vacation pay and a 10% bonus. What is Annabelle's gross income? Well, her annual salary, so her regular salary that she makes, is $47,500. Now, if she gets vacation pay of 3% of that amount, so 47,500 times 3%, this is $1,425, plus she gets a bonus of 10%, so that's 47,500 times 10%, equal to 4,750. So her gross salary would be all of these three added up. So 47,500 plus 1,425 plus 4,750, and that's equal to $53,675. That is Annabelle's gross salary. Okay, let's look at another example here. In this example, Jason earns an hourly wage of $12.75 for regular time and time and a half for time worked over 35 hours per week. If Jason worked 42 hours last week, what was his gross weekly income? Well, we know that for 35 hours for his regular pay, this is his regular pay, for the first 35 hours, he makes $12.75 per hour. So this comes to $446.25. Now he also makes overtime. And his overtime rate is 1.5 or time and a half the regular pay. So 12.75 times 1.5. That will give him what he earns per hour at time and a half. Now, he worked 7 hours more than his regular 35. So we're going to take this pay and multiply that by the 7 hours that he worked. And this comes to $133.88. So that Jason's gross weekly pay is $446.25 plus $133.88. So this gives a weekly gross pay of $580.13. Okay, let's look at one more example here with commission. Jasmine earns a monthly salary of $2,500 plus 8% commission on all sales over $10,000. Last month, Jasmine's sales were $32,000. What was her gross monthly income? Well, we know to start with that Jasmine earns $2,500 for her regular pay. So her regular monthly salary is $2,500. Now, she earns a commission of 8% on all sales over $10,000. Well, her sales were $32,000. So let's subtract $10,000 to give you $22,000. That's what she's going to earn her commission on. So $22,000 times 8%. This is $1,760. That is her commission. So her gross monthly pay is her $2,500 salary plus $1,760 commission, and that gives her $4,260 for her gross pay.